Hi there, I'm Luke Barber with Strategy Email Marketing, and I understand you want to learn how to embed a video in ConvertKit. Well, sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but you can't. But wait, don't leave yet. I'd like to show you a few ways that you can make it look like you have a video in your emails, so stick with me. I'm also going to show you 6 quick tips for using video in your email content. The easiest way to make it look like you have a video in your email is by taking a picture or a screenshot of the video that you want to show to your subscriber and adding a play button image over top of the picture. Now, if you're not familiar with Photoshop or something else that lets you manipulate and layer images, I suggest using Canva. It's about the most user-friendly software you can get. Canva has tons of amazing features that you can access right now by creating a free account, and I've included a link to them below. The first thing I'm going to do after I log into Canva is create a design. And they have a nice little search function here where you can decide which size that you want to make your image be. But I'm going to choose a YouTube thumbnail because I like that size, which is 1280 by 720. So I'm going to choose that one. Next, I'm going to open the video that I want to take the screenshot from. Then I'm going to take a screenshot of this video. And if you're using a PC, you'll probably need to use the snipping tool. But on a Mac, if you hold and make sure that you're not hovered over this, because as soon as you do this keyboard stroke, it's going to freeze the screen. But what you want to do is you want to hold Shift Command 4, and then it's going to give you this little bullseye kind of thing, and it's also going to freeze. See, it even froze this little green highlighter. But I'm just going to click and drag over this video, and now it's going to create a thumbnail right here. So I'm going to close that back out, go back to Canva, and all I'm going to do is drag that image into Canva. And you just drag it up to the corner, resize, and there's your image. That's the first part. Now the second part is you want to go to Elements. It says search anything from Canva. So I'm going to search for a play button. Now there's a few different options here, and I suggest using one like this because you can then come up here and you can change the color to red. This is my personal preference because YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and they use the red play button, and so people are familiar with it. But you can also change the colors if you want to meet your brand or whatever you want to do. It's completely up to you, but I would suggest getting one that has color on the inside like this because it'll stand out more. If you do one like this, for example, people may not see it as well. It may not register with them that it's going to take them to video content. And then I do want my face to show. So there's different options here. You can either put this down in the corner, you can put it right front and center, but then it kind of covers my face and I don't love that. So sometimes you can get away with putting it in the corner here or over here or something like that. And then you just kind of make it big like this so it really stands out. This is totally up to you and your preference. That's it. That's all we got to do. Now we're going to take this, I'm going to rename it because this is for a welcome email that I share with my subscribers. I'm going to title it Email Marketing Video. Then I'm going to click Share, click Download again. It'll take a second to download, and then I'll go to my downloads, and there's my image. Next, I'm going to log into ConvertKit. I'm going to go to Send and click on Broadcasts, and that was already there. And I'm going to click on New Broadcast. This is going to be Email Marketing Wisdom. And then I'm going to take this image, right? So here's a view again of the image, okay? I'm gonna take this image, I'm gonna drop it right into ConvertKit. I can also insert this file by going up here to the little paperclip icon that says Insert File, and click Insert File, and then I can choose the file from my desktop or whatever folder I saved in, or I can click and drag the image right here and drop it there. Then the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on the image and it says edit right here. I'm going to click edit, and then let's say we wanted to link it to my website, which is right here. I'm going to highlight that link. I'm going to go back, click paste, and then I'm going to save it. I want to preview what this is going to look like, so I'm going to click preview, and I'm going to send myself a test email. I already have my email populated in there, and I'm going to click send preview. Then in my email, here's what it's going to look like, and then you'll notice I can click on it, and it takes me to my website. This little thing is just for preview mode for testing purposes. It's not going to show like this when your subscriber clicks on it. It's just going to take them straight to your website. And that's it. You now have a way to send emails to your subscribers that look like they have a video in them. Now, if you want to get a little fancier, you can create an animated GIF that moves and gives the effect of a playing video. To do this, we're going to use a free software called Embed, which I've also linked to below. If you use video very much for creating your online content, social posts, tutorials, YouTube videos, etc., Veed has amazing tools that will save you hours of time. A few of which include a GIF maker and compressor, a video editor, transitions, filters, text overlay, subtitles, text-to-speech, teleprompter, transcription, simultaneous screen and camera recording, and live streaming, to name a few. I'm not shy about my love affair with Veed for video creation. Anyway, create a free account with Veed and then log into it. Once you're there, add the video that you want to make the GIF out of and name it. So we're gonna go to new video, create project, and this time I'm gonna actually take the video. Okay, so not a screenshot of the video, and I'm gonna upload that into Veed. So here's my video. I'm only gonna use the first 3 seconds to create a looping GIF out of it. You can see the time moving over here. I'm gonna drag it to about 3.4, like that. And then I'm gonna click split. I'm gonna delete that. After I split it, I have my sound on mute, but this is what my GIF is gonna look like. It's gonna sit and just loop like this. Now that I have this clip, the next thing that I need is a play button. And I have a link to this below as well. It's just a red play button that you can insert somewhere. It's a PNG image, and that means it doesn't have any of the white background behind it. It's all the white has been cut out. So I'm gonna take that and drop it in here. I can put it right here, resize, do whatever I want to do. I think I'm gonna go like that, but then you need to drag it so that the image is the full length of the little clip that I have. So now it's gonna look like this, and it will sit and repeat after every 3.5 seconds. So that's our GIF. And then we're gonna go to export. I'm gonna say export video. And then I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna click on the download button and I'm gonna download it as a GIF. Here's my preview of my GIF, and I'm gonna right click on it and say save image as. This is going to be email marketing wisdom video GIF. I'm gonna save it on my desktop. And there it is. We're gonna go back to ConvertKit. I'm gonna delete our old one, the static version. And we have our GIF here that we're gonna drag and drop into the body of ConvertKit. And it'll take a second because it's a few megabytes. And now here's our GIF. So now when we send an email, it's gonna have this GIF inside of it that's going to be more visually appealing. It's going to catch people's eye. It's going to make them engage with it by clicking on it. And then again, we'll just click on it and click edit, copy the link where we want to send somebody to, and paste the link in there, say save, and now we're done. Click preview, send test email, send preview. Now I'm in my email, and here was my static one. Here's my GIF. So then of course you can put text above, you can put text below, you can do whatever you want. So there you have it. That's how you can create static or moving images that will look like videos in your emails. Next, for some tips on how to use video email marketing to engage your subscribers and blow up your results. The first tip is, as an email marketer, you should constantly strive to personalize your messages. And one way to do that is to know the type of content that your subscribers engage with the most. With ConvertKit, you can set up a link trigger to tag subscribers with something like content video. In doing so, you can send more video content to those subscribers in the future, which will increase their engagement because you know that they've clicked on those things before. And if you don't know how to use link triggers, I suggest watching the video that I made about it right here. The second tip is be sure to use the word video in the subject line. We place higher value on video and visual content. Therefore, putting the word video in brackets or in caps will catch your subscribers' attention and likely increase your open rates. Tip number 3, showing off a product or product line using an animated GIF with a play button on it like we just discussed is an outstanding way to show a sneak peek of your product and its features, or the transformation that it will provide for your subscriber. Tip number 4, send an invite or announce an event. What better way to get someone hyped up for your upcoming event than sending subscribers an email with a few different scenes of the venue, people having a good time, and helping them picture themselves being there. Tip number 5, share a tutorial. This should go without saying, but if you use video to teach people how to do, well, anything, sending a video email with your newest tutorial and links to previous ones is the perfect way to boost your video count, build relationships and credibility, and of course promote your or affiliate products. Tip number 6, send a personal thank you video with a unique offer for your most valued customers. Simply turn on your laptop camera or use your phone to record a short thank you video and thank the person by name and then send it to them. You'll be surprised how much weight that carries with your customers and how much more likely they're going to be to recommend your products or services to their friends. I hope this video will help you in your video email marketing efforts. And if there's other ways that you use video in your email marketing, please let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, click that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications if you want to receive more content like this. See you next time.